In this brief video, you'll learn how to use the ScienceDirect database. This is great to use if you're studying scientific, technical, and health research. It contains peer-reviewed sources, which are referred to as research articles, as well as books, review articles, and so much more. Let's start on the library homepage and click on the Databases button. This allows you to access all the library databases. Since you want to navigate to a specific database, ScienceDirect, let's click on the letter S in the alphabet list. Now you can see all the library databases that start with the letter S. Scroll down until you see the ScienceDirect Journals and click on the title of the database. You are now in ScienceDirect and can start searching. There are a few ways to search in ScienceDirect, including by search terms, by the title of a specific journal or book, or even by an individual author. If you aren't familiar with search terms, take a few minutes to review the Search Terms Part 1 tutorial linked below in the video description. When searching with search terms, remember that simple searches work best in ScienceDirect. Advanced search techniques, such as those discussed in the Search Terms Part 2 tutorial, will not work effectively in ScienceDirect. So keep your searches simple and use the Boolean operator AND sparingly. Let's search for the topic water quality. On the results page, you can see a ton of great filters. Remember, when researching topics in the sciences, you will often need to differentiate between primary and secondary sources. In the sciences, primary sources detail original research. These articles are typically written by the scientists who conducted the research. ScienceDirect refers to those types of peer-reviewed articles as research articles. There is a filter you can use to narrow your results to only show research articles. In comparison to primary sources, secondary sources are another type of source that analyzes and interprets primary research. ScienceDirect calls these secondary sources review articles. In science, you often want to find the most current research, and you can easily do this by using the date filter to find the most up-to-date articles. Click on the title of the article you want to read, and you can view it on the web page, or you can click on View PDF to download the article to your device. Downloading the PDF of an article is a smart way to keep track of your sources. You can also use the information provided on the web page or PDF to create your own citation. Another useful part of this database is the Recommended Articles feature, which lists articles similar to the one you already selected. ScienceDirect also has a Cited By section, which is located after the article's references and contains a list of articles which reference the research in the original article. Newly published articles may take some time before the Cited By section will show up. These features can help you find additional sources related to your topic. ScienceDirect is one of many resources that the UVU Fulton Library provides. Remember, you can use this database along with other databases. If you would like more assistance when searching the ScienceDirect database, just ask a librarian. We're happy to help.